Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my brand new listings. This is a beautiful 2017 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, pick out some, I'm going to point out some of the options on it. As you can see here, this one's got the beautiful navy gel coat right here. So let's go around the side here. We'll talk a little bit more. We do have underwater lights on the boat. This particular boat is your traditional V-drive. So this is going to be an inboard, has the Cummins QSB 6.7s, 480 horsepower side, along with bow thruster, and they work in conjunction with each other. So the benefit there, super easy to dock the boat. You have total control at all times. And these motors only have about 180 hours on them. So as far as options go, we have our aft sunshade that drops out. The awning, so on those warm summer days and stuff, it gives you a lot of shade back here. A lot of guests really like it if you're entertaining. This one does have our gourmet kitchen, so speaking of entertaining, if you wanted to do some hors d'oeuvres out here, hot dogs, hamburgers, it works out great. This one does have the Glendenning to reel in and out your 50 amp shore power cord. And this is going to be our actuator here for the aft sunshade. But here in the cockpit, very comfortable seating. We've got storage underneath all of our seats here aft. This is an option right here, beautiful table. As you can see, the boat's in excellent condition. Here's what I like about the boat. Very wide open, tremendous amount of window space right here. Large windows on our port starboard side, very good visibility. As you can see, this one's got the sunroof as well. On our port side, everything's easy to get to. So this is going to be our main distribution right here for our 12 volts, our 120 volts over here. This is also an option right here, LG TV. Great stereo, so if you like really good sound system, this one has the Rockford Fosgate. Another option on this boat is the sofa pulls out and makes into a lounger. So if you've got some additional overnight guests or the kids that want to join you for the weekend, you can definitely do that. Once again, huge windows all the way around, very open feeling to the boat, if you will. Everything here at the galley that you'll need. We've got our isotherm refrigerator, 2-burner stove, microwave, wet bar, and over here at the helm, we've got a couple things going on. This is going to be your shifters right here, and your joystick, which operates the bow thruster, is going to be incorporated into that. So that's a really neat feature. This one also has auto glide, which basically means it has electronic trim tabs, so it's going to maximize whatever you're doing, whether you're, running the boat at different speeds, automatically adjust. Everything's very easy to get to right here. Twin 12-inch Raymarine GPS, chart plotter, radar, things along that line. One cool thing about this boat, this is a 2-stateroom, but also has 2 heads. So if you want to take a look down there, Rob, this is the guest stateroom right here. You have 2 twin beds. The owner has a lot of his personal items on there. There is a Zodiac tender that comes with it, and a torpedo, which is your propulsion right there for that. That does come with the boat. Then our day head right here, you can take a look, also has a separate shower, so that's an option on the boat. And this one does have it. And then as we go forward to the master, a nice V-berth right here. Once again, we have our beautiful windows on both sides, lots of hanging storage on our port and starboard side. And you also have a very nice head with separate shower, if you want to take a look at that. So this particular boat, whenever you're done, Rob, you can come back up here. So this boat was purchased brand new from MarineMax in Venice, serviced from MarineMax in Venice. It's located at Venice Yacht Club. So if you'd like some additional information on it, feel free to give me a call. Again, I'm the listing broker. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. My phone number is 941-376-3345. Thank you for taking the time. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.